Here are 6 ways you could be a content curator / influencer in 2026. I'll be looking at my phone from time to time for my notes, and first will be find your niche. For me, my niche is beauty, tech, and lifestyle, and in the order I placed it in, it's tech, lifestyle, beauty. The reason why I picked those 3 categories is because I can kind of go into all the tech I want. I can do lifestyle, which is cooking, baking, making matcha, all kinds of stuff that I could tap into. Oh, my home decor, building things, vlogs, and beauty could be Ulta, Sephora, makeup hauls, makeup routines, best find products, hygiene. When you pick a niche that you can have pillars in, you'll work the best. Here's some of my examples.
You know I only stand cause I'm truly genuine. Don't be a hard rock when you really are a gem, baby girl. Respect is just a minimum, nigga. And you still defending them now. Lauren is only human. Don't think I haven't been through the same predicament. Let it sit inside your head like a million women in Philly pen. It's silly when girls sell their souls because it's thin. Look at where you be in. Hair weaves like Europeans. Fake nails up out Koreans. Come again. Yo, win, come again. Okay, come again. Some girls are only about that thing. Yeah. I'll tell you what, sing it to you like this. I'll tell you what. I thought you would be on top of my city all day. Make me go out like this all day. On Christmas, make a wish somewhere. I was listening.
Tip 2, use what you have. As I said, I'm using my phone, which is the iPhone XR, and I use my tablet. I'll show you. Here is my tablet, which is my Apple iPad Air 4th or 5th generation. I'm not quite sure. I think she is the 4th generation, purple, and the camera works great. And I love her, so I film on my phone and my iPad. Back to the iPad. Okay, back. You don't need fancy equipment just to start out. I received a star ring light from my mom from Big Lots, and that worked just fine. It recently went out, and I'm going to invest in a better one, but for now I'm just using a yellow lamp light with my main room light on. So that's how I film my content. I use my phone and I use good lighting. If I could film during the day, then I'll use that, but start with what you have. Batch content. Like tonight, I am filming December 26th, and I just filmed one YouTube video, which was my December PR. Now I'm doing the 6 tips in 2026. Next, I'll be doing USP walkthrough, which is my Etsy shop, Unlimited Freedom Planner, which specializes in digital stationery products. So there's 3 videos right there for YouTube, and I'm going to film, I think, 2 or 3 shorts as well. That means that I'll have content going into 2026. Batching content really helps you, and it'll give you room to grow Create new ideas while not feeling like every day you gotta get up and film. 4th, start small. When I first started this account, which is Creatively Kai on my Instagram, I only posted twice a week. In 2024, I only posted twice a week. And then I boosted it closer to December, but even that, before December, I didn't post every day. So here is my Instagram. And I started off posting twice a week because I am a full-time student and I had to take care of that. So you can start small. If you post twice a week, that's fine. If you post once a day, that's fine. But don't think you need to post 3 to 5 times a day. I usually do that if I have a lot of content I need to push out. As I approach the new year, I want to get all my content out the way, so I just start 2026 fresh. And that'll be weekly. It'll probably be a week delayed, but other than that, it won't be long unless it's my YouTube videos. So with that, you can start small and take that however you want. Tip number 5, build community. Since creating this new account, I'll pop in my old account here. And since creating my new account, I've built community. Now, as you probably saw, I follow 830 people and like brands and companies like that, and I have 413 followers. I have grown since my last account, which was stuck at 3 something. Then I was like, I'm just going to start fresh going into being 21. From there, I built community. I engaged with other creators, other like-minded people, and I just built connections. And building connections mean that you have the opportunity to grow with people. The follow for follow trend is not bad, especially if people want to grow with you. Doesn't hurt to follow, like, comment, subscribe if you're on YouTube, heart a story on Instagram or TikTok. It really doesn't hurt to follow and like anyone's content. So when you think about content, don't think about, oh, I'm going to be in this all by myself. Build community, because most of the time you're going to be talking to yourself or hearing yourself talk. So you might as well build a great community of like-minded individuals. Tip number 6, 2026, stay true to yourself. I am a very creative, bubbly person that loves matcha, tech products, and beauty. So with that, I'm going to stay true to myself. I'm not going to let 400 and something followers get to my head, 1,000, millions. I don't know how far this is going to go, but I have the goal to be big. With that, I have to stay true to the reason I started. Like, you think about Jesus and Christmas just passed, and you think Jesus is the reason for the season. So when it comes to yourself, you have to think about your life and think, what is my purpose with content creation, especially being, I guess I want to say God focused, but led by Christ. You have to know what your purpose is and incorporate him however you are. You have to use the gifts to shed light. And I know that my content can usually bring joy to people's life. Reason why my slogan is have a great life. Bye. Because I want you to be able to think I can have a great life. And I'll see you next time. But instead of that, just like, bye. So with that, you just continue to grow. I'm not the same that I was at 21, 22, and 23. I'm just completely different. And with that comes growth. You always want to, as a wise person told me, kind of think who it is. Look back, but don't stay there. You're looking at your life. Take a reflection time and see where you want to improve. 2026, I'm all about intentional, purposeful content. I want to post once a day. I don't want to post 3 or 4 times a day unless I just have to. But every day I want to be able to post good content and possibly take Sunday off. Or if I post Sunday, I'm thinking about just letting that be Christian content. And I think that'll really work with my Christ. Like, I read my Bible, I do all that stuff, and I want to be able to incorporate Jesus more into my platforms. So I know that he gave me this gift to be creatively Kai, because I have always been creative since I was a kid. And I just know that this is just where I'm happy at. No matter getting paid or not, I just always wanted to do this. And getting paid is a fun bonus. I absolutely love that. Don't get me wrong. So I'm just very happy with it. And staying true to yourself will definitely make you unique. Not, you don't have to follow every trend. I don't. Some people like music I just don't vibe with, so I don't do the trends. And if you do a trend, you could definitely use a different sound and do your own twist too. Like, it's definitely different ways you can stay unique. But those are my 6 tips for how to be a content creator slash influencer in 2026. Like I said, find your niche, use what you have, batch film, start small, build community, and stay true to yourself. If you do those 6 things, but first keep God number 1, pray to Him and let Him lead and guide you. Ask for the discipline, the wisdom, and the courage to tackle this. You will be fine. That's first of all. All the other tips I gave you, you should be well on your way. If you all would like a more detailed video on how to be a content creator and tips and tricks I use, and I'm going to get more equipment this year. I really hope you're enjoying 2026 and all that it has to offer, or if you're going into 2026 with me. Y'all have a great life. Bye.